Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a legendary name making, a bold comeback in the dual sport world, the new 2026 Yamaha XT600, known for its durability, simplicity, and go-anywhere spirit. The XT600 has long been a favorite among riders who value reliability over flash. For 2026, Yamaha revives this icon with modern updates while staying true to its rugged roots. Let's take a closer look at what's new. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 embraces a classic dual sport design with purposeful, no-nonsense styling. The tall stance, slim fuel tank, and high front fender highlight its off-road DNA, while refreshed body panels, updated graphics, and modern LED lighting bring it into the present day. The design remains functional and tough, built to handle rough terrain while still looking sharp on paved roads. Performance and powertrain. Powering the new XT600 is a refined single-cylinder engine tuned for strong low-end torque and dependable performance. Designed to excel on trails, gravel roads, and long-distance rides, the engine delivers smooth power with improved fuel efficiency. A reinforced frame and upgraded suspension setup enhance stability and rider control, making the XT600 capable in demanding off-road conditions while remaining comfortable on the highway. Safety and technology. The 2026 XT600 balances simplicity with essential modern technology. Features like fuel injection, selectable ABS, and a digital instrument cluster improve reliability and rider confidence. Yamaha's focus remains on durability and ease of maintenance, ensuring the bike performs consistently even in remote environments. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 marks the return of a true dual sport legend. With its blend of classic toughness and modern refinements, it's built for riders who want a dependable machine for real-world adventure. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the machines that matter most.